Hi friends, this is Shahil Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel English Talk with Shahil Khan. So my dear friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about my favorite games, my favorite outdoor games. What what I like to play. What do I like to play? So, my dear friends, first of all, I would like to say if you are new here, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. As I am looking, as I'm looking, I can check my subscriber is decreasing. I don't know why, but last time when I checked, so there was 21 subscriber, but when I recently checked that, so I got only there was uh, 18 subscriber are left. So please, my dear friend, please subscribe my YouTube channel and please support me. I don't know why they are they are not why you are not subscribed, you are not subscribing my YouTube channel, but please subscribe my YouTube channel and so support me. So I'm saying you that my favorite outdoor games, so I like to play cricket game because I cannot describe my thought about cricket. So you can understand if you like to play cricket. So my dear friend, when I was 8 year old, so it was my wish to become a cricketer, but due to some reason I could not go academy, I could not do practice, I could not do play cricket in professional format. But as I got I get time, so I go in the field and I play with tennis ball, but nothing, nothing. So my dear friends, I like to play badminton. Yes, badminton is my second favorite game, but first is cricket and my second favorite game is badminton. And I can play well, but in the winter seasons only I used to play that game badminton. And in every time I spend my most of the time for outdoor game cricket. So my favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli and MS Dhoni and Sachin Tendulkar. Sorry, my favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, and Sachin Tendulkar. So this three one is my favorite, and please please do comment what is your favorite cricketer, and just to practice to improve your English speaking. Okay. So my dear friends, if you if you like to play cricket, if you like to play hockey, if you like to play badminton, and you want to play in professional level, so always you have to think that there are many people, there are many persons who are who has a same dream like you have. So you have to make your back plan if you want to play, if you want to play in professional level these all games. So you have to prepare for the back plan. What if you are not selected? So then, so just it is practice, my dear friends. Here are lots of noise. It is a just practice, my dear friend. Don't take it to your heart. So just I will meet in your next video, and next video will be very interesting. Just wait for that and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for never missing any latest updates. So bye. I will meet you in the next video.